Hello everyone. This video introduces how to use Outlook email. First one, we need to add account. Just enter your email address. Click Next. Then enter your password. Click Yes. This is main page. Here is your favorite part. You can try to add content you like. Like me, I try to add deleted item in here. Here is folder. You can see like inbox, draft, save items, anything in here. Look at this corner, calendar, people, file, to-do list. Click to-do list. Try to add a task here, like meeting. We can see more details on the right side, like a remind time. I try to tomorrow. Add due date and repeat time. Click calendar. We can see a blue box in September 12. This is what we did a moment ago. Now we try to make a new event. Add a title here. Add people here. Here is time. You can set no repeat time if you want. We can see the event in September 18. Now we try to make a meeting. Add a title here, just the same with event. Set the time. And you can set the room and the location. Save it. Here we can see our meeting on September 20. If you have any question, please contact us. Thank you.